Okay guys, so we have successfully officially published our application. So if you go to the Play Store and find or search the Shekz Tech, just click on the enter button. So as you can see, this is our application. So only 12 MB available. Just click on this one to install in your Android application. Okay, so open it. You can also open it from here. As you can see, we have the courses available on the home page, and also the courses available on the courses sections. So all the informations related to the courses, the new courses or the new stuff, always available on this Android application. So courses, you can find the same courses on the courses page, and these are the blogs. Just log in with your account. If you do not have the account, just click on the sign up. So give the name and also the password. Once you create the account, you just need to verify your account. After the verifications, you have to use your password. So log in. Once you log in with your account, you can manage your accounts. If you want to edit your profile, just edit it. If you want to go to the settings, you can also use the biometric to log in with your account. Since this is the Poco tab, so the biometric is not available, that's why it's showing like this. So once you have login, just go to the specific course and enroll the so this is the LLM based model course. Just enrolled in this particular course. You cannot enroll in your own course. Why? Because I have published this particular course. You can just click on this particular one to enroll your course.